It's time for another epic scan giveaway. You could win this PC worth a whopping £3,500. Listen on to find out how. At Computex this year, Corsair launched HYDRO X, a custom water cooling solution featuring lots and lots of RGB, of course, designed to make the whole process easier with a configurator that helps you choose the parts you need depending on what you already have. Naturally, all the parts are iCUE compatible, so you can get everything working together and control through just one app. To see how easy it really was to build your own HYDRO X custom water-cooled PC, we recently enlisted the help of two of Corsair's streamers, Cyborg Angel and Tashanar, both of whom had built a PC before but not yet done water cooling, to spec up and build their own versions in our studio. You can see how they got on in episode 3 of Next Level, our awesome gaming show, which goes out live on Twitch at 7 PM on the 2nd of August and on our Pro Gaming YouTube channel shortly afterwards. Both streamers will also be put through the Next Level Gaming Challenge to see if they can take the top spots on our leaderboard. You really don't want to miss that. Now, onto our fantastic prize brought to you by Corsair. Once again, our 3XS Systems team have created a work of art, something many of us can only dream of owning. This time, it could be you. Wrapped in the stunning white Corsair 680X case, this system features the mighty Intel i9-9900K and a GeForce RTX 2080, both overclocked and cooled with a custom Corsair HYDRO X loop. There's also a super fast Corsair MP510 960GB M.2 NVMe SSD and 16GB of Vengeance RGB DDR4 memory. Oh, and just a little bit of RGB. So how do you win it? It's super simple and it's totally free. Simply get yourselves over to our competitions page. There's a link in the description, and from there you can log into Gleam and get yourself a free entry. Then you'll have the opportunity to increase your chances of winning by helping us out on the socials, all for free. We'll leave you with some more shots of this week's awesome prize. Good luck.